Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to install ink in a HP OfficeJet Pro 9013. So yeah, what we're gonna do here, you can try, you see here there's a gap here. You just pull this, it's gonna go a bit like down, then you both of these you can hold them like this, then you lift. Once you lift that, it can click like kick. So the print head is gonna come here. When it comes here, this is these are the inks. This is black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. You can start with the black, you press it in, then it pops out. One, you take out, you press this in, pops out, you take it out. Press it in, it shoots. Then you press this guy in, comes out. Yeah. Now on your new inks, depends which one do you want to put in first or last or whatever, because even it indicates your black, yellow, magenta, cyan. So I'm going to start with my cyan here. Remember, it should face up like this. Then also you click it in, you press it in, put you press it in, you can see, put your yellow, lastly black. After that you close it gently, okay, then you close here, then this gonna go away, get me? So now you can make what, a copy or whatever, put in papers. You can pull this, sometimes it can get stuck. If it gets stuck, sometimes it depends on what happened with the machine and all that. You could also press these two, this guy and this guy this side, and have to lift this, you get it? So that can work like that. Sometimes a paper tray, it allows to do that, sometimes it doesn't allow. Now you can see it's moving nicely. Sorry, I don't know why. So I think you can pull it a bit up, then slide it out. Maybe that's the trick. Yeah, but yeah, now it's working. It doesn't have any issues. Okay, yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, share and comment if you have any comment. Yeah, thanks guys.